Using knives in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 can be trickier than expected, as melee attacks or bashing other players with knives, baseball bats, or even power drills don't eliminate the opponent with a single hit. Here is a step-by-step guide on how players can use knives in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. First off, hold down the melee button, which is V on the PC or the console stick, to equip the knife by default. Now open the menu settings, choose the option according to your preferred accessory, which is controller or keyboard and mouse. Select the combat tab from the menu settings. Locate the dedicated melee weapon activation setting and change it to one of the following options: hold melee, weapon cycle, or dedicated keybind, which is for PC only. When players hold down their melee button, the weapon cycle option will add the knife to the player's rotational weapon list. It can be equipped at any time via the scroll wheel on your weapon selection. On PC, the keybind option allows players to switch melee weapon settings. To create a keybind for your melee weapon, follow these steps. First, select the menu settings. Choose your accessory preferences. Pick the keybinds tab available in the menu settings. Scroll down to locate the Combat Advanced Keybind settings. Select the switching option, switch to melee weapons, and assign it to your desired keybind.